Mark. You look tired today.
Yeah, I am.
What happened?
I tried to take the bus this morning,
Okay.
and everything went wrong.
Oh no.
I didn't know what to say.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't know how to ask anything.
That's very common.
I just stood there, looking at the bus.
That sounds stressful.
Very stressful.
Okay, let's stop right here. Imagine you are Mark. You are at a bus stop. You need to ask something. What would you say?
I don't know.
That's normal. So here's the key. Keep it simple.
Okay.
Just say this. Does this bus go to...
Oh, does this bus go to...
Perfect. Very useful sentence. Let's repeat. Does this bus go to...
Does this bus go to...
Good. Now add a place. Does this bus go to the city center?
Oh, does this bus go to the city center?
Perfect. Now let's go back to your situation. You see a bus. What do you say?
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. That is real life English. Now let's make it more natural.
Okay.
Add, excuse me. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Oh, excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Perfect. That sounds polite. Now another situation.
Okay.
You are not sure, so you ask, is this the right bus?
Oh, is this the right bus?
Perfect. Very simple. Full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, is this the right bus?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. But let's continue your story.
Okay.
You got on the bus,
Yes.
but you don't know the price.
Oh,
What happened?
I didn't know how much to pay.
That's very common.
Yeah, I just stood there.
That's awkward.
Very awkward.
Okay, let's stop here. Imagine you are Mark. You are on a bus. You need to ask the price. What would you say?
I don't know.
That's normal. So say this. How much is the ticket?
Oh, how much is the ticket?
Perfect. Very useful. Now full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, how much is the ticket?
It's $2.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's continue.
Okay.
You are waiting for the bus,
Yes.
but it's late.
Oh, no.
So what do you say? You say this. When does the bus arrive?
Oh, when does the bus arrive?
Perfect. Very natural. Or simpler. When is the next bus?
Oh, when is the next bus?
Perfect. Full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, when is the next bus?
In 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's add a problem.
Okay.
You get on the bus,
Yes.
but you think it's wrong.
Oh, no.
So what do you say? You say this. Is this going to the city center?
Oh, is this going to the city center?
Perfect. Very useful. Or, did I get on the wrong bus?
Oh, did I get on the wrong bus?
Perfect. Very real. Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
You don't know where to get off.
That's stressful.
Yes. So what do you say? You say this. Where should I get off?
Oh, where should I get off?
Perfect. Very important. Or, can you tell me when to get off?
Oh, can you tell me when to get off?
Perfect. Full situation.
Okay. Excuse me, can you tell me when to get off?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
Perfect. Now, Mark, let's continue.
Okay.
You got on the bus,
Yes.
but suddenly,
What?
you miss your stop.
Oh, no.
What do you say? You say this. I missed my stop.
Oh,
I missed my stop. Perfect. Very common situation. Now full situation.
okay. Oh, no, I missed my stop.
That's okay.
Oh,
Perfect. Now what do you do next?
I don't know.
You need help.
Yes.
So you ask, what should I do?
Oh, what should I do?
Perfect. Very useful. Full situation.
Okay. I missed my stop. What should I do?
Get off at the next stop.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now let's make it more real.
Okay.
The bus is crowded,
Very crowded.
and you can't hear clearly.
That happens a lot.
So what do you say? You say this. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry, I can't hear you.
Perfect. Or, could you speak louder?
Oh, could you speak louder?
Perfect. Now let's add another problem.
Okay.
You're not sure where you are.
Oh, no.
So you ask, where are we now?
Oh, where are we now?
Perfect. Very useful. Or, what stop is this?
Oh, what stop is this?
Perfect. Now let's combine everything.
Okay.
Real situation.
All right. Excuse me, can you tell me when to get off?
Sure.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Get off at the next stop.
Oh, what stop is this?
This is Main Street.
Oh no, I missed my stop.
That's okay.
What should I do?
Get off at the next stop.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Now, Mark, how do you feel?
Honestly, much better.
Why?
Because now I know what to say when I travel.
Exactly.
Before, I felt lost and confused.
And now?
Now I can ask, confirm, and fix my mistakes.
That's the key. You don't need perfect English. You need simple, clear sentences.
Yeah, that really helps.
Exactly. So tell me, what do you say first?
Easy. Does this bus go to...
Good. If you are not sure?
Is this the right bus?
Perfect. If you miss your stop?
I missed my stop.
Excellent. That is real-life English.
Yeah, I feel ready now.
Good. Keep practicing every day.
I will.
And you will improve step by step.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.